Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to TECNO Spark 20 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, you can click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TECNO. Then go back to Nokia and using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!